Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to make half double crochet stitch HDC. Half double crochet stitch is slightly taller than a single crochet stitch. Firstly, do a yarn over. So hold your hook in front of the working yarn with the tip of your hook facing you. Yarn over, bring the hook down below and behind the working yarn. Now it should look like you've got 2 strands of yarn on the hook. Then insert the hook into the next hole, which is this one. It should look like you've got 4 strands of yarn on the hook now. Yarn over again by bringing the yarn below and behind the working yarn. Pull the yarn through just the first 2 strands, the V-stitch on the hook. So now it should look like you have 3 strands of yarn or 3 loops on your hook. Now do a yarn over again, bring your hook below and behind the working yarn. Then pull that yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. That is a half double crochet.